Did you know that 75% of people in the world fear public speaking more than death? But what if I told you the secret to transforming that fear into unstoppable confidence lies in just 10 simple steps? Stick around because by the end of this video, you will not only conquer your fear but also master the art of captivating an audience. So let's get started. Number 1, practice. They say practice makes perfect, but when it comes to public speaking, practice makes confidence. The truth is, you have to be willing to put in the reps. The more you practice, the more comfortable you will become with your material and the better you will be able to deliver it. Think of it as training your mind and voice to work together like a well-oiled machine. Remember, every great speaker started with practice. Number 2, know your audience. As a speaker, you must remain flexible and adapt your audience. Before you go, you have to consider who will be attending and tailor your message accordingly. Number 3, visual aids. Don't think this is cheating. All the best speakers use them. Visual aids are necessary if you want the presentation to stay on track. Use slides, cue cards, visual imagery, demonstrations to help illustrate your points and keep your audience engaged. Number 4, storytelling. Our mind craves a good story and they are powerful ways to deliver your message. The message becomes easier to consume when wrapped up in a well thought out story. Also try to incorporate anecdotes and examples into your presentation. Number 5, engage your audience. Don't be afraid to ask questions, invite feedbacks, encourage participation when speaking. This will allow you retain your audience retention. Number 6, body language. Appropriate body language is very important for public speaking, such as using gestures, standing comfortably, making eye contact to help convey your message effectively. Number 7, keep it simple. Don't think you must be the most intelligent person in the room by trying to overcomplicate your message. Use clear, concise language and avoid jargons and technical terms that your audience may not understand. Number 8, rehearse your delivery. Practice speaking in front of a mirror or recording yourself, then watching the playback to identify areas for improvement. It also may help to practice in front of a family member or co-worker who can give you honest feedback. Number 9, relax. Remember to breathe and be yourself. It is okay to be nervous in the beginning. Channel that energy and turn it into excitement. Then get out there and be your authentic and unapologetic self. Number 10, fear of mistakes. Lastly, mistakes are going to happen whether you like them or not. Don't let them get to you, but rather enjoy turning it into a joke if you stumble over your words or say something stupid. This way, your audience is still engaged and you can just laugh it off. Remember, public speaking is just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to personal growth and unleashing your full potential. If you found these tips valuable, imagine what other life-changing insights you could gain. Subscribe to MindZing and join a community that's all about leveling up your communication, mindset, and overall success. Remember, every step you take towards growth brings you closer to becoming unstoppable. See you in the next video.